Well, good afternoon. My name's Dennis Loveday. I'm Director of the Sustainability Research School here at Loughborough, and it's a great pleasure to welcome you to Loughborough University to this Sustainable Concrete Forum event. And I know you're going to be hearing much more about the forum as the afternoon proceeds. I'd like to take the opportunity to particularly welcome our guests from overseas, Professor Sakai from Japan, welcome, and who is running a little late at the moment, but we're expecting Dr. Fonta from Geneva, so a warm welcome to him when he arrives. It's really great to see so many folks here from industry. One of the things that Loughborough prides itself on is its collaboration with industry. It's in our lifeblood, and we are delighted that there are so many people here today covering areas such as cement and concrete producers, consulting engineers, and contractors, to name but a few. So a really very, very warm welcome to you. What I'd like to do is to take a few minutes just to tell you a little bit about Loughborough, a little bit about the research school, and a little bit more about the School of Civil and Building Engineering. So if I can get all this technology to work, there we go. Loughborough University. We've been around a long time. Since 1909, we began life as a technical institute. We became a university in 1966, and we've joined the leading 1994 group of research-intensive universities. We're structured as 10 schools, which generally follow a particular discipline. We've got nearly 15,000 students, over 3,000 staff, and the 10 schools are connected by 6 what are called multidisciplinary research schools. And these are virtual entities which give us connectivity of the different disciplines to come to bear on major challenges. Part of our mission statement is that Loughborough does research that matters. And that means we work in strong partnership with industry to solve problems together. And I'm sure that today will be a great opportunity to continue that process and to build it even further. As far as research is concerned, we have an enviable record. At the last research assessment exercise conducted in 2008, this is an independent exercise conducted to measure the quality of research in UK universities. In that exercise, 18% of the university's work was rated as world leading, and with every school undertaking internationally excellent research. Now, of course, I'm going to stand here and tell you how good we are, but you don't have to take my word for it. Basically, there have been many independent third-party bodies who have awarded us many prestige titles in the past and in the present. We're the holders of 6 Queen's Anniversary Prizes. That's an unprecedented number. We're a member of the Midlands Energy Consortium. That's Birmingham, Loughborough, Nottingham universities who collectively host the Energy Technologies Institute. We have 4 doctoral training centres, 2 of them in our Department of Civil and Building Engineering. And we're an EPSIRC framework university, which means, if you like, we're a kind of a preferred partner for conducting research. And of course, we have strategic partnerships with many industrial leaders, from Caterpillar to E.ON, to Rolls-Royce, to name but a few. We have the largest single-site campus in the UK, 437 hectares, with a great many facilities that are available for research and for training, and we are delighted to do that in partnership with folks such as yourselves. We also have a space to the west of our site called Holywell Park, part of the university, where we have a low-carbon cluster of industries who've chosen to co-locate here at Loughborough to avail themselves of the academic expertise on the campus. And we have an extensive site with space for expansion. Let me now talk a little bit about the research schools and the Sustainability Research School in particular. It's one of 6 virtual research schools. Their role is to connect the disciplines across the schools and to grow the multidisciplinary culture that leads to bringing teams together, multidisciplinary teams, to solve the big challenges that face us now in the 21st century. So we're about bringing teams together, multidisciplinary teams, winning major bids, and also acting as an outward face for sustainability and an internal forum for sustainability. So there are many things that we can do together from the multidisciplinary perspective, as well as from the perspective of the School of Civil and Building Engineering, which I'll tell you a little bit about next. We're one of the largest multidisciplinary construction schools in the UK. We have an academic staff of 70. We have a student population approaching 1,000, and we've got a research portfolio which is in excess of £25 million. That's an enviable record in anybody's book. We offer undergraduate programs that range from construction, that's covering civil engineering, right through to architectural engineering and design management, through into transport. We also have a suite of postgraduate programs around construction management, transport, water and waste management, and building services engineering and low carbon building design and modelling. And we are ranked as #1 for our building related activities. What I can say is that a couple of weeks ago, the Chartered Institution of Building Services Engineers accredited our building services and low carbon building courses and described them as the best of their kind in the UK. And this is an overview of many of the partners we collaborate with in sponsoring courses, training and research.